Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me quickly show us how to solve this nested radical equation. Alright, solution. We have square root of 3 raised by x, then we have square root of 9 raised by x. Now another way to write this is 81 raised by x, then multiply by 1 over 2. Alright, because you know square root of a is the same thing as a raised by 1 over 2. That is what I have done there. Everything equals to 81. Okay, then we have square root of 3 raised by x, then square root of 9 raised by x. Then 81 is a multiple of 3. It can be written as 3 raised by 4. Then we write this x, 1 over 2, the other power, everything equals to 81. Alright, so from there we can divide the 4 by these two. So we have 9 raised by x multiplying by 2 here 1, 2 in this 4 is 2, and that gives 3 raised by 2x, that's what we have here, equals to 81. Alright, so now 9 is also multiple of 3, so we can write that as 3 raised by 2x, okay, this is this, then multiplying by 3 raised by 2x, everything equals to 81. So now 3 raised to power 2x multiplying 3 raised to power 2x, let's write it as 3 raised to power 2x squared, okay, since we have two of them, equals to 81. And then the square, we cancel the square roots, so we have 3 raised to power x multiplying 3 raised to power 2x, everything equals to 81. Now, we are going to apply one of the laws of exponents that says we have a raised by x multiplying by a raised by y. It gives a raised by x plus y. Okay, so here we have 3 raised to power x plus 2x. Okay, so we have applied this law. Everything equals to 81. Okay, so we have x plus 2x will give us 3x. So this is 3 raised by 3x. Everything equals to 81. Now let's take the square of both sides. So if you take the square of both sides, we have this raised by 2, and also we have 81 raised by 2. So the square cancel the square roots. So we have 3 raised by 3x equals to, now if you want to write it 1, it's a multiple of 3, we can write it as 3 raised by 4. Then we have this power 2, and that becomes 3 raised by 8. Now let's equate the powers. Equate the powers. Okay, so that means we have this cancel this. We have 3x equals to 8. Divide both sides by 3. X equals to 8 over 3, which is our final answer. Alright, so we can see how simple this is. Now let's solve something very similar to that. Let's try this. We have square root of 2 raised by x, then we have 4 raised by x, and lastly we have 16 raised by x, everything equals to 32. Okay, so let's find the value of x. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, write your answer under the comment section, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you in my next video.